I'm Aaron Rutten, and these are the submissions for my July 2018 Group Art Challenge at patreon.com/AaronRutten. The theme as chosen by my patrons was Summer Landscape. First up is a painting by B. The consistency of all of the pastel kind of crayon brushstrokes is really nice. That really brings the piece together. And the reflections on the mountain faces and the side of the house from the water, that adds a lot of realism as well. Steve Gunnery has a painting of Dunstable, Massachusetts. These are some barns on a farm landscape here, and I really like the way that you use the blenders to pull going in the direction of the roof and the sides of the barn. That adds a lot of nice wood texture and realism to the piece. This is Beach Dance by Susan Schwartz, and I really like how Susan got creative with the color here. The blues, the seafoam green, and the sand color, but they're used in places where you wouldn't expect to see them, which makes this a really creative and interesting piece. Melissa Weber's painting is a view from her house overlooking her barn and her studio, and I really love the ambiance of this piece. There's that nice warm glow that kind of envelops everything and makes it feel like a very particular time of day. And using these nice color tints and overlays are a great way to add atmosphere like this to your artwork. This is a painting of Sphinx Head Rock by Richard Stalter, and I really love the way that all of the visual interest is placed strategically. It kind of leads your eye following the stream to the plants and then through the rocks. Richard's done an excellent job guiding your eye through the piece and leading it to the main focal point, which is Sphinx Head Rock. Next up is a beautiful painting by Linda Boswell. What I like about this is it has that nice softness of the reflection in the water and the sky, and that's complemented by the sharpness of the garden and the pagoda in the background. I can tell you used the rotation feature of the Wacom art pen along with the thick paint to get those nice angled strokes in the pagoda, and that works really well. Tom Iverson has a wonderful painting called Summer Sunrise in the Mountains. I really like the way that the sun is kind of beaming its light down on the house. Similar to Richard's painting, that brings a lot of focus down onto the main subject. Having the eagle on the left and the fence down at the bottom also lead your eye back toward that house. Next up is Summer at Clear Lake by Carolyn Godless. Carolyn's done a great job at capturing this particular time of day using that pink color. It's enveloping all of the highlight colors on the leaves and on the bushes and reflected in the water and especially on the clouds, and that gives it this really nice atmosphere. This is Where is America by George Metz, and I don't know how you could look at this piece and not feel empathy. George has really captured the essence of how it would feel to be a child removed from their parents, scared, isolated, and among faceless strangers who were also abandoned. Emotion is something that keeps people engaged with your artwork, and this piece is really forcing people to take a hard look at reality. Those were some excellent landscape paintings. Thanks everybody who contributed. If you'd like to participate in the next Group Art Challenge, go on over to patreon.com/AaronRutten and sign up now. And if you enjoyed the artwork in this video, show your support to the artist by clicking the like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.